Welcome to the Plant Web Demonstration Series, where we explore easy ways to accelerate your digital transformation. I'm Eric Ashmore, and I'm here at Emerson's Integrated Operations Center in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to be talking about energy, specifically how to more effectively manage energy usage in your facilities. We all know we need to optimize our energy consumption. Failing to do so can drive up operating costs and pose environmental concerns. But energy consumption optimization initiatives face several challenges. Processing facilities are composed of a variety of assets, and their energy sources are equally diverse with varying costs. It's this complexity that you have to account for when working to meet your production goals. This means finding a way to continually balance your production targets with your energy consumption, while also identifying and fixing bad actors. Now, by leveraging asset templates, powerful analytics, and artificial intelligence capabilities, a model can be created that helps you optimize your energy usage. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's pretend I'm an operations manager in a facility where we have implemented an ISO 50001 energy management system. Here we are, looking at Plant Web Optics Analytics' web-based dashboard. This dashboard provides both a high-level view for quick checkups and a wealth of information upon drilling down. Let's take a look at the information that is available. This overview screen shows my plant and unit-by-unit energy consumption, along with an indicator if we are saving or wasting energy. As you can see, I have some opportunity to save some energy. Let's drill down to find the root cause of the problem so I can make recommendations to operations or submit work orders for bad actor assets, depending on the root cause. We can see that my energy consumption is currently good, actually saving money from our target KPI. However, I can see that steam specifically is underperforming. I can drill down to see if we can find the cause of this performance issue. Steam is created in our boilers. I currently have issue with boiler number 4 and number 5. Let's take a look at boiler number 5. We can see that currently it is operating below both our static target and dynamic target. Dynamic targets are generated in real time by Plant Web Optics Analytics based upon real-time information coming from the plant. While I'm not exceeding my dynamic target, I am above my warning target. If I move over to the RCA page, I can discover that boiler number 5 currently has an active issue. Incomplete combustion in the boiler is causing my energy consumption to be high and is creating a potentially dangerous operating condition. In this instance, I would call down to the control room to inform operations so they can make the necessary adjustments to the boilers. This ability to monitor my plant's energy performance can save millions in operating cost over its first year. There you have it. Plant Web Optics Analytics is a powerful and comprehensive energy management solution that provides for real-time guidance and valuable insights into optimization opportunities. By understanding overall plant energy performance alongside individual asset contributions to that performance, you're able to further extend your savings by making changes at the individual asset or at the unit operation level. Thank you for watching this quick Plant Web demo. To learn more about this solution, contact your local sales representative to schedule an in-depth discussion. And for more ways to accelerate your digital transformation, be sure to check out our other videos in this series.